Hey everybody out there on the government interwebs, here's your 2-minute drill from today's class. So much of what we talked about today focused on how we do teaching and how we do learning. We know that it's out there, this idea of cramming. We know this idea is out there that this is a pressure cooker that you're in high school for grades and for success. And then you dump all that information on the final exam and you finally feel that pressure's off. I'm here to tell you, in this class we do not want to try that. We're definitely going to focus on other learning. We're going to focus on more meaningful learning, and I need your help with that along the way. What we focused on were the two different types of work. Algorithmic work, great example is that is your assembly line. It's plug and chug. You do the same thing every day in, day out. You show up to class, you listen, you take notes, you do the worksheet, you do the test, you go to the next chapter. You're good at that. That's algorithmic thinking that we've taught you to do. We need to do something different. Heuristic work comes from the Greek word to discover. I want you to be discoverers of knowledge. It's important to note that only 30% of the jobs out there require low-skilled algorithmic skills. 70% require you to be creative and begin to solve problems even before they've presented themselves. And this has got to be one of the best things I've seen. One of the best IKEA hacks. You got two tables. Everybody thinks they're tables. But the heuristic thinker, that discoverer, can look at that and turn that into a bicycle. The problem that we're looking at right here at the beginning is our research project. You have, again, that 4-minute presentation next block day. You've got to communicate to us answers to the key questions that we've been looking at. And these are the questions we want to look at. These are the things we want to explore and the topics we want to begin thinking about, because these are the pressing topics we're dealing with in American government today. And this is just a reminder, I handed out Dr. Edmund Morgan's speech to the Yale University freshman class in 1960. I need you to read that for Monday so that we can have a discussion about these questions right here. You don't need to answer those questions on paper, but you do need to be ready to talk about them in our Socratic discussion. We'll see you next time.